Hello, today you will learn about.
Hello, welcome to the new chapter. Today let's look at the word de. Very versatile little word in French. De has many different functions in French and you many have come across it in different contexts. Here are few examples when you could come across it. De can be used as a preposition to indicate a departure point before feminine countries and cities, for example. You could say,
Je viens de Chine.
I come from China. Or,
Je reviens d'Inde.
I come back from India. These are feminine towns or countries, please note that. However, with the masculine town or countries.
Du, for exemple. Je reviens du Canada. Ou, je reviens du Japon.
De can indicate a range, such as,
Le restaurant est ouvert de 9h à 18h.
the restaurant is open from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. De is used in negative sentences instead of
De la. Ou du. Ou des. Un. Ou une. Par exemple. Elle mange du chocolat tous les jours.
She eats chocolate every day. However, put this into the negation, you drop the do and it becomes
Elle ne mange pas de chocolat tous les jours.
she does not eat chocolate every day. Now, have a look at what happens when we use de la.
Il mange de la pizza.
He eats pizza. Put this sentence in negative.
Il ne mange pas de pizza.
He does not eat pizza. Sometimes de becomes de, for example.
Elle a de beaux cheveux longs.
She has beautiful long hair. Here de is indefinite article. It is used here because the adjective plural beau, that is beautiful, precedes a noun cheveux. If beau was not in the sentence, it would be
Elle a des cheveux longs.
she has long hair. But we have beau in the sentence, it becomes de. De is used for the adjective that comes right after and before the noun. It would not work if the adjective was after the noun. Examples such as,
Ma sœur a des enfants intelligents.
my sister has intelligent childrens. De can be seen in phrasal expressions too. Such as,
Avoir envie d'eux. Ou. Avoir besoin d'eux.
to feel, what you want something, or need something. Example,
J'ai envie de voyager en Asie cet été.
I feel like traveling to Asia this summer.
Tu as besoin d'étudier plus.
You need to study more. De can also be used to express a possession. When followed by a first name or a possessive adjective. Let me give you an example.
C'est la voiture de Sophie.
It's Sophie's car. So de should be used to express a possession always.
C'est le livre de ma mère.
It's my mother's book. De can also be used to express a known quantity. For example,
1 kilo de riz.
a kilo of rice. De it is used with many adverbs of quantities. Such as,
Beaucoup de.
a lot of,
Assez de.
enough of,
Trop de.
too much of,
Peu de.
little of. For example,
J'ai beaucoup de travail cette semaine.
I have a lot of work this week. Note that we do not say
Beaucoup de.
de is used when talking about the generality. Such as,
Il est professeur de chant.
he is a teacher of singing. De can be used in prepositional phrases. Such as,
À cause de.
because of,
À gauche de.
to the left of,
En haut de.
above or at the top of. And de can also be used after certain verbs followed by an infinitive. Such as,
Décider de.
to decide,
Accepter de.
to accept.
Venir de.
To come. For example, you could say,
J'ai décidé de changer de voiture.
I have decided to change my car. Der Cedar here is in infinitive form. De can also be used to form a recent past. Such as,
Venir de. Par exemple. Je viens de finir mes repas.
I have just finished my meals. De can be used with expressions.
Être en train.
It means to be in the process of an expression, action which is happening. For example,
Je suis en train de dormir.
I am in the process of sleeping. Now you might have a doubt when to use do. When do replaces de plus lu. Do it is masculine, it means some or many. It is quite simply the contraction of de lu. It refers to a specified quantity of something. Do is always followed by a noun or an adjective, plus a noun for example.
J'ai mangé du délicieux gâteau à la fête.
I ate some delicious cake at the party. Okay. That's it for the today's lesson. Hope this video was useful.
Au revoir et à bientôt.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.